I feel very uncomfortable right now.
Hi, I'm Pat. On this video, we're gonna do a festival mermaid makeup look. A mermaid look with this festival makeup. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Casual Sunday makeup look.
I feel very uncomfortable right now.
Hi, I'm Pat. I'm Pat, and welcome to my YouTube channel.
I'm terrified of this, and I'm terrified of just everything.
But that's okay. So keep watching. And now it's got face jewels, and it's got liquid eyeliner, and it's got some glitter strip eyelashes in there. Ooh. And along with that, I found a matching palette that is a 12 color palette of glitter and metallics. And I got this one on clearance for only $4. So I think using this, combined with this, and maybe a few shadows from this, I think we're going to be able to create a great mermaid look. So keep watching and hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, so the first step is going to be foundation. So I've got my Rimmel Everlasting Light Ivory in the color 091, and this is going to be probably way too light for me now because I have quite a tan from the summer, but that's okay.
I don't think so. I don't think so.
Gotta start somewhere.
Is that a good friend? I don't think so.
Yep, that's not the right color. Oh well. So much for being tanned. Ta-da!
I am so thankful.
That was the first step. Base done. So, moving on, like I said, we're going to use the Festival Makeup Kit and the Glitter Metallics. Bam! And we're gonna make a mermaid look out of this. Just something for casual Sunday. So, keep watching. So, I almost forgot, let's do some concealer. I have the Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Concealer, and that is in the color 10. So I'm just gonna put some of that underneath my eyes. I don't think this is the right color either, but that's okay. And we'll just put some up here too. Alright, so I'm gonna blend that in just to brighten up the center of my face a little bit and to conceal my wrinkles. I think that's what concealer is for. I think my color would be C5. Alright, next, fishnets.
Ooh, it's kind of like watch it happen.
Okay, so I couldn't find any fishnet stockings, but I found this fishnet bag, and I think that'll work. So I'm gonna just put that on, like, how am I gonna keep this on? Can I hook it over my ears? Not really. Okay, we'll just put it over our heads like this. And then, like, try to keep it tight somehow. Oh, yikes, crispies. This is tricky. So this is my look. Just kidding. We're gonna just try to keep this somehow in one place. There we go. And maybe like use the elastics to keep it tight.
Just do that like some kind of ponytail sort of situation.
Hi, I'm Pat. Welcome to my channel.
I'm just really scared. I'm just really scared.
Okay, so now that I've got the mesh on my face, I'm gonna go in with the James Charles Morphe Unleash Your Inner Artist palette. And just put put down some color first before I go in with the glitter and metallics. Alright. Okay, so we'll just start with some of the dark blue over here. Okay, and we're just gonna work it around. That's the dark blue. Okay, so continuing on with the dark blue, you can see I've got it on the two sides there. Okay, I'm going to go in with the dark blue and do a little bit of contouring on my cheek over here. And this color is called Cola. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with some purple. And maybe a different brush. That one. That is called Single. So we're still working on this bright purple. And as you can see, I'm just sort of stippling it through the fishnets. Okay, and so you can see I'm just like building a line along there. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Okay. Next, I'm going to go in with some of the pink just to diffuse this a little bit. And that is called Skip, and this is a bright pink. Bright pink! Okay, and now I'm going to go in with a glittery turquoise color, which looks like this. Just to add some metallics around the edge of where I did the blue, and to add some sparkle. Alright, so we've got the turquoise worked in around the bottom. I'm just going to put some up along the top as well because it's a really nice metallic color. Okay, so that's starting to look insane.
I am doing every single thing in my power to make sure that things like this never happen again.
Oh, I know. We'll add some purple glitter called Artistry over top of the purple. And I'm just going to mix some of that metallic turquoise in with the green. Just to get some of those scales on my nose. Alright, and the other side, we're just going in with the turquoise and the blue and mixing them together to get a nice sort of sea color. Okay, so I think that's enough of the scales. So let's take this off of here and see how it turned out. Hopefully not too insane, but it looks like it's going to be wild. Okay.
I'm terrified of this, and I'm terrified of...
Peel this off. That really, really worked. I'm very happy with the results of that. Definitely something you could go to church in. Alright, so as I said, we're going to add the glitter metallic palette and step this up a little bit for our festival makeup. Ugh. Like, that can't be right. Alright, let's just try putting some of that on there. In the inner corner. Okay, well, it went on really, really bright, so that's good. Okay, well, doesn't swatch very well, and it's messy and clumpy, but it sure is going on. Okay. Well, that's a good start. Just gonna bring it up a little bit more. Like that. Okay, so still working on the glittery eyeshadow situation. Almost on the purple here. The stuff is like falling apart. It's chunky. It's not good. The phone is vibrating like crazy. I don't know what the deal is. Like, relax, phone. Add some of that purple underneath there. Both sides. Like a big chunk of it just fell off. Okay, so that's like the messiest, craziest thing I've ever put on my face. Can you see the glitter? Okay, so that's good for that. I would not recommend ever using this. This is the worst stuff ever. Ooh, best part of that was this piece of holographic paper. Okay, so now we've got our festival pieces. So we're gonna go ahead with that to finish off this beautiful mermaid makeup look. Ooh. So we're just gonna put that on like that. Okay, so that's the purple lip. Maybe just do a little more of that. Wow, that's like super hard to do. Yikes. I had no idea how hard it was to glue eyelashes on. It's like a serious thing, but no. The eyelashes are definitely a problem, but they're getting there. Yeah. Alright, well, this is the festival look, casual makeup, Sunday look, mermaid, with the glitter lashes and the metallic eyeshadows. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell icon, and share this video with a friend. You can connect with me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The links are down below. And if you want to shop like me, make sure you check out my Amazon affiliate shop. The link is in the description. Alright, I hope you have a nice Sunday, and I hope you enjoyed my casual Sunday mermaid makeup look. Unleash your inner artist.
I am doing every single thing in my power to make sure that things like this never happen again. Never happen again.